In the previous worked out small problems on bills of exchange, honoring the bills and dishonor of bills in different situations. Today we'll continue the problems and I will share the screen. So here we have a problem on dishonoring of bill and with noting charges. Here today the special focus on noting charges. You see here, Ajad sold goods for 15,000 to Bunty and immediately drew a bill upon him on January 1st. Ajad sold goods for 15,000 to Bunty and immediately drew a bill upon him. So Ajad is creditor, Bunty is debtor on January 1st, 2007. Payable after 3 months. This is 3 months bill. On matured, the bill was dishonored and 50 were paid by the holder of the bill as noting charges. So there is 50% noting charge. When the bill is dishonored, it is there is a requirement according to law to note the bill with a public notary. For this, the notary charges a minimal amount like 50 or 20 or 10 rupees like that. So the journal entries will be recorded in the books of Ajad and Bunty as given below under the following situations. There are three situations given and right. So when bill was kept by the Ajad till maturity, when drawer keep the bill with him and it is dishonored with noting charges. When bill is discounted by Ajad, 12% per annum for 3 months and is dishonored with noting charges 50. When bill was endorsed to Ajad, but it is dishonored. And so there are three cases. We start with first one. When bill was retained till its maturity, it is dishonored with 50 rupees noting charges. When goods sold to Bunty, the entry Bunty accounted to sales account being goods sold to Bunty. Ajad, we are writing the entries in Ajad books. Bunty accounted to sales account. 15,000, 15,000. When bill is received from Bunty, bill is coming in bills receivable account data to Bunty account 15,000, 15,000. And bill is coming in the bills receivable account to Bunty account. When Bunty bill dishonored with noting charges 50. So actually we have to, we had to get 15,000 from Bunty because we sold goods, but it is on the bill, but there so the expenses amount to 50. So the total debt by Bunty is 15,050. That's why Bunty account are 15,000 rupees and 50. To bills receivable account 15,000. To cash account, that is noting charge account 50. This is about a dishonor of bill. When the bill is kept with him till the date of maturity and noting charges 50. The same instance, if the bill is discounted and how it will be recorded. When goods are sold, Bunty accounted to sales account being goods sold to Bunty 15,000, 3,000. The bill is received the same entry, bills receivable accounted to Bunty account being bill received 15,000, 15,000. When bill is discounted, bank account data 14,550, discount account data 450, bills receivable account data 15,000. How do you get 450? 15,000 into 12 by 100. This is 12% discount. 15,000 into 12 by 100. 3 months bill, 3 by 12. 15,000 into 12 by 100 into 3 by 12. This is discount. When the bill is dishonored, Bunty account data 15,050. So where to receive 15,050 from Bunty and where to pay to bank 15,050. That's why. So the debtor is debited and the creditor is credited. Bunty account debtor to bank account. When a bill is endorsed to Chitra and dishonored with 50 rupees noting charges, how to write book bills. Bunty account to sales account when goods are sold. Bunty account to sales account when goods are sold to Bunty, the same entry. When his bill is received, bills receivable account to Bunty account 15,000 being bill received. And when bill is endorsed to Chitra, Chitra is receiver. Receiver account is debited. Chitra account to bill receivable account being bill endorsed to Chitra, and the bill is dishonored. So the amount is to be 15,050 with noting charges to be paid by the Bunty, and we have to pay the same amount to Chitra. That's why the debtor Bunty is debited and creditor Chitra is credited. Bunty accounted to Chitra account 15,050 being bill dishonored. In case of Bunty, three entries only: when goods purchased, when bill is accepted, when bill is default, bill is in default, bill amount is not paid. When goods purchased, purchase account to Ajad account being goods purchased 15,000, 3,000. When bill is accepted, Ajad account to bills payable account 15,000, 15,000. When bill is dishonored, bills payable account 15,000, noting charges, expenditure, loss 50 rupees to Ajad account 15,050. This is bill dishonored by Bunty himself and 50,050 rupees extra noting charges. This is about this problem. Next, renewal of the bill. Sometimes the acceptor of bill foresees that it may be difficult to meet the obligation of the bill on maturity date. So when we expect there is a default, to approach the drawer with the request for extension of time for payment. If it is so, the old bill is cancelled and the fresh bill with the new terms of payment is drawn and duly accepted and delivered. This is called renewal of bill. The old bill is cancelled and new bill is accepted. This is called renewal of bill. Since the cancellation of bill is mutually agreed upon, noting of the bill is not required. Noting is not required because mutually accepted. The drawee may have to pay interest to the drawer for the extended period of credit. The interest paid in cash or may be included in the amount of the new bill. Sometimes a part of the amount due may be paid and the new bill may be drawn only for the batch. For example, a bill of 10,000 is cancelled on cash payment of 3,000 and acceptance of the new bill for rupees 7,000 plus interest at agreed between by the parties. The journal entries in the books of the drawer and the drawer will be the same as that of the owner of the bill. As for the interest in value, if it is not paid in cash, the drawer debits the drawee's account and credits the interest account, and the drawee debits the interest and credits the drawer account in the books. The journal entry is recorded in case of renewal for the cancellation of the bill for interest and for the acceptance of new bill in the books of the drawer and drawee. So for cancellation of the bill, drawee accounted to bills receivable account. When interest is charged, drawee accounted to interest account. When new bill is received, bill receivable account to drawee account. So this is a dishonor of bill, drawee accounted to bill receivable. Dishonor of bill due to renewal and interest. Interest is income to drawer and the drawee account is debited. In books of drawee, the entry when bill is not paid, bills payable account to drawer account. Once again, the drawer account is created because the credit is restored, and interest is expenditure. Interest account to drawer account, and new bill is drawn. Drawer account to bills payable account. Here we have a problem. We see the problem and we work out the answer also. On February 1st, 2017, Ravi sold goods to Mohan 18,000. So Ravi is a creditor, Mohan is debtor. 3,000 were paid by Mohan immediately, and for the balance, he accepted 3 months bill done upon by him. So 18,000 is the 18,000 is the sale amount, but 3,000 is paid. So the bill will be for 15,000. On the date of maturity, the bill of the maturity of the bill, Mohan requested Ravi to cancel the old bill and a new bill upon him for a period of 2 months. So before maturity, the Mohan, the debtor, approached the creditor that he is unable to pay the amount, and he wants to cancel the old bill, and he want to accept new bill for 2 months period. He further agreed to pay interest in cash, that is 12% per annum. Ravi agreed to Mohan's request and cancel the old bill and to the new bill. The new bill was met on maturity by Mohan. In this case, the following and this will be recorded in the books of Ravi and Mohan. When goods sold to Mohan by Ravi, is Ravi, these are Ravi books. Mohan account to sales account 18,000, 80,000 being goods sold to Mohan. When cash is received, 3,000 cash account to Mohan account, 3,000, 3,000. When bill is received, bills receivable account to Mohan account, 15,000, 15,000. So there is a combined entry, 3,000 cash is received, 15,000 bills receivable is received, total 18,000. Cash account at 3,000, bills receivable account at 15,000, to Mohan account 18,000 being bill and cash received. And old bill a new the old bill is dishonored, that is Mohan account debtor 15,300, to bills receivable account 15,000, to interest account 300. The 300 is the interest for 2 months. Interest for 2 months for at what percent? 12%. That is simply 15,000 into 12 by 100 into 2 by 12. 2 by 12. That is 300. 300. When new bill is received, bill is received cash. So bills received at 15,000, cash amount at 300, to Mohan account 15,300. When amount is received, bank account at to bills receivable account. In the books of Mohan, when goods are bought, purchases account are to Ravi account being goods purchased. And bill is accepted and cash also paid. So Ravi account are to 18,000 and to cash account being 3,000 is paid and bills payable accepted 15,000. So the combined entry is Ravi account at 18,000 into cash account 3,000 to bills payable account 15,000 being bill accepted and 3,000 paid in cash. When old bill is cancelled, bills payable account are 15,000, interest account are 300, to Ravi account 15,300 being old bill, the new old bill cancelled on renewal basis. A new bill is accepted. So Ravi account are 15,300, to bills payable account 15,000, to cash account 300 being bill is accepted. And the amount is paid. Bills payable account are to bank account 15,000, 50,000 because new bill is paid. So this is about how to retire the old bill and how to write for interest also. Only thing is in case of in case of dryer, in case of that the interest is income. In case of dry, the interest is expenditure. That's why in dryer books you see interest is created. Dryer books interest is created. You see interest is created in dryer books. So interest is created in dryer books. In case of dry books, interest is debited because it is expenditure to him. Expenditure is how it is calculated 15,000 into 12 by 100, 12%, but only for 2 months. 2 by 12, 15,000 into 12 by 100 into 2 by 12, 12, 12 like that you get 300. This is about renewal of bill and where the bill is renewed with cancellation of old bill. The cancellation of old bill amounts to dishonor of the bill. So tomorrow we see renewal, retirement of bill, how to retire the bill. If you are not unable to understand, you can repeat because the problem question is there, answer is there. So if you have any doubt, you can comment or you can call me. You can WhatsApp me, no problem. Because of online classes, it is required. Sometimes you cannot ask doubts, but still we have so many chances to ask doubts by WhatsApp, by commenting in YouTube, and you can directly call me with my number 9848206